Hello everyone, we're going to look at 22 and 23 in this video. The first one we have f of x equals the floor of 3x plus 2. So if I were to make a table, we have f of x equals the floor of 3x plus 2. Okay, you could also call this the greatest integer function. I prefer to say the floor because it rounds whatever number you have down. Okay, so you have 3x plus 2. So if I were to make a table, since this 3 is here, okay, if you didn't have me show you this, you probably wouldn't get it. You might. If you were to put in 0, 1/3, 2/3, 1, you're going to find that your y values are going to be different. So from 0, you get 2 out, round 2 down, you get 2. Put in a third, you get 1. 1 plus 3, or 1 plus 2 is 3. Round 3 down, you get 3. Notice that put in 2/3, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Round 5 down, you get 5. If you were to put in a number between 0 and a third, for example, a fourth, if you were to put in a fourth right here, you get 3/4 plus 2. That's 2 3/4. Round that down, you would still get 2. Notice that 1/4 is between 0 and 1/3. It's when you get to 1/3 that you go up to the next function. So if you were to compare f of x equals 3x plus 2 to f of x equals the floor of x, you're going to find that this has 3 times as many segments. You're going to have a little segment right here between 0 and a third. You can barely see it here. There's going to be one right here from a third to 2/3, and then 2/3 to a third. What I have here is just f of x equals the floor of 3x. Okay, you're breaking it into thirds here. The plus 2 is going to shift everything up 2 spaces, so that would really look, you would take all of this and shift it up 2, so it would be from here to here, here to here, here to here, and that's why I wanted to show you in Desmos. Go to Desmos.com. It'll be a little easier for you to see it, see what's going on and how this function behaves. Go to this little button in the corner, Show Keypad. Go over to Functions. Click on Miscellaneous, and then you'll see Floor Function. Okay, it's the same thing as the greatest integer function. We're going to use floor. Okay, the floor of x is right there. Okay, I'm going to put in right here, I'm going to put in the floor of 3x so you can compare them. Okay, notice the green graph is when you multiply it by 3. You get 3 times, as many in a sense. Per, going left to right, you have 3 times as many. Okay, now put in floor of 3x. And then we are going to plus 2. Okay, and then this is another blue graph. Wish we had a different color here. But what it did is it shifted our little segments here. You see the green segment? This dark blue one is that little segment shifted to the left 2 spaces. So this makes them 3 times as narrow, and that shifts it to the left too.